Check the blower motor bearings by safely isolating power and manually inspecting rotation and play. Start by turning off power at the service disconnect and verify with a non-contact tester or voltmeter to ensure no electrical energy is present. Remove the access panel and any housing obstructing the blower wheel so you can reach the shaft with a gloved hand. Manually spin the blower wheel slowly and listen for grinding, scraping, or any unusual noise that indicates rough bearing surfaces. Next, push the shaft gently in axial and radial directions to feel for excessive lateral play or a distinct rocking motion that shows worn bearing clearances. If the wheel is hard to turn or feels sticky and resists smooth rotation, you should assume the bearing surfaces are damaged. Document what you felt and heard, replace the bearings following manufacturer torque and lubrication specifications, or replace the entire motor if the bearing assembly is non-serviceable. Common mistakes start with not fully removing power, which risks injury and misses intermittent binding that only appears under load. So always verify power is off and check again if symptoms are inconsistent. Technicians sometimes only listen for noise and skip checking shaft end play, which lets small but critical radial wear go unnoticed, so always test both rotation smoothness and lateral movement. Another frequent issue is reusing contaminated or improperly lubricated replacement bearings, which will fail prematurely. So clean the housing, use the correct lubricant type and amount, and follow the motor maker instructions or fit a new motor if bearings are integral. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like blower motor repair so we can find local professionals and post details about jobs. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from others so our members can make better decisions.